video. Today we are going to be working on our inner and outer thighs. So all of these exercises are Pilates inspired. We're going to start up standing and then we're going to take it down to the floor. We're going to have 1 minute on each exercise and with a 10-minute rest in between so we can catch our breath and get into position for the next exercise. Okay guys, so taking your legs nice and wide, we're going for a nice wide sumo squat, or however you want to call it. Okay, so we're going to take it down and up, so literally dropping down and bringing it back up. Trying to keep a nice long spine. So thinking about our Pilates posture as we are doing this, we're just going down and up, and already I can feel that. So tuck that tummy in, navel towards spine, lifting through that pelvic floor, shoulders back and down. And we breathe. There we go. If you want to make this a little bit harder, guys, for the last 30 seconds, take it onto your tiptoes and down we go. And already you'll feel that through those inner thighs already. That's beautiful. Also get a bit of shoulder mobility as we're lifting and lowering our arms. There we go, keeping on those toes. If it gets too high, just drop it back down. Oh, 10 seconds. You're nearly there, guys. First little exercise is really complete. How good is that? There we go. Excellent. Okay, let's change position. So into your V, your standing Pilates V. Okay, onto your tiptoes. Again, tuck that tummy in, trying to curl your tail in, and we're going out. Not that you've got a tail, but you know what I'm trying to say. So we're coming down and lifting up. So this is really going to target those inner thighs. You'll feel this in your glutes as well. Okay. So on those tiptoes, heels always touching, and bringing it down. And obviously, it depends how far you go down, depending on your mobility. So just take it easy as you do these exercises. Again, trying to keep that spine nice and long. There we go. We're not sticking our bottom out as we do this. I'll try and show you from the side. Down and up. Squeeze those glutes. And we've got 20 seconds left. So keep it going. Oh my goodness, I can feel those inner thighs already. You've got to take it a little bit further. Go for it. Be careful with those knees. And we float it back up. We're nearly done, guys. Then we're going down to the floor. 5 seconds. Let's have one more. Are you ready? Fantastic. Okay, so we're going down into our next exercise. We're going for an inner thigh lift. So I'm taking it onto my side. Hips are stacked here. I'm going to rest my head on my elbow. I'm going to take my top leg in front. Bottom leg is going to lift and lower. Lift and lower. So as we're doing that, keep your belly tucked in. Lifting through your pelvic floor. And I want you to flex that forward. Okay, so we're just flexing it for now. We're just lifting and lowering. We exhale. Okay. As we're doing this, I want you to kind of hold it at the top and take it down. So squeeze and let it go. Squeeze and let it go. That's great, guys. Okay, so after this, we're going to carry on with the same exercise. We're going to change the positioning of our feet or our foot to feel it more on that inner thigh. So keep that going. Oh, you've got 13 seconds. That went really fast. There we go. Keep it going. There we go. You can feel that on your inner thigh. Lovely. Okay, hold it there. Okay, so just have a little rest. I'm just going to rejig myself a little bit. This time, as we lift, we're going to point our foot down. Okay? So I'm going to lower and lift. Lower and lift. So you're going to squeeze it at the top. You'll really start to feel this because I'm feeling it already and I've only just begun. So that's it, guys. So we're going to bring it up and down, up and down. After we've done this exercise, which is killing me, I'm trying to distract myself, we're going in for a plank, so we're going to do some outer thigh workouts. Okay? Let's keep that going. You're doing really well. Remember to squeeze and lower. Exhale. Inhale, 26 seconds left. You're doing amazing. Up and down. Up and down. That's it. Oh, our inner thighs are going to look really good soon. They're going to get a bit more toned, aren't they? You're going to feel amazing after this. So keep going, guys. You can do this. Believe in yourself. Up and down. Up and down. Oh, wow. Here we go. Hold it and let go. Okay, so here we go. We're still on our side, still in this position. feet want to be in line with your bottom. And for this exercise, we're doing a clamp, so we're going to open and close. Open and close. Just making sure that your spine is nice and straight, nice and long. We're opening and closing. Now from here, what we're going to do this time, we're going to open, stretch out, in and down. So we open, we stretch, bring it in and down. That's it. So we're just making that clamp, we're extending that clamp, we're extending that top leg to feel that working in your glutes a little bit more on our love handle area on the side thighs. There we go. This is a really great one. You feel this already. I can feel it working, which is good. That's what we want, isn't it? No pain, no gain. There we go. That's it. You can do it. 10 seconds, guys. You've got this. And then after this, we're going to do one more exercise on this side before we flip over to the other side. Yes. Excellent. Okay, so staying on your side, lengthen those legs. And from here, tuck that tummy in. We're going to lift our leg and then we're going to point it down to the ground. So up and down. In Pilates, we normally just keep our leg at hip height, but you can take it a little bit higher so you can really feel that working in your glutes in the side of your butt. And then you're going to point that toe down, flex that toe down, so you can feel that working here on your bottom. There we go. Whew. Okay, remember to keep that spine nice and long. Tummy tucked in, and those fingertips want to be really gently placed on the mat so you're not taking the work away from your abdominals. I know we're doing an inner and outer thigh workout, but your whole body's working whilst you're doing these things, which is the beauty of Pilates, isn't it? There we go. So we've not got long, we've got 14 seconds left before we flip over to the opposite side. So you've got this, guys. I know it's burning, but it's good, it's good. We're nearly there, 4 seconds. See one last one? Okay, let's quickly flip over to the other side. And then we're ready. Okay, so coming down. The arm is coming underneath my head. And I'm going to take that top leg over the top. Top leg over the top. And then I'm going to lift and lower. Lift and lower. Try and stack those hips. Feel this working through your inner thigh on that lower leg. Okay. Tummies engaged, pelvic floor lifted. I know I repeat myself, but it's always good to keep reminding ourselves of what we're doing, because sometimes we switch off. I know sometimes I do. So there we go. Fingertips light on the ground. Oh man, I can feel this. I can feel it on this leg because our other leg's just been working on the outside, but now I can feel it really working on the inside. Whew! It's feeling good. That's it, guys. You've really got this. So we're lifting here, and then we're going to do the same exercise, but with our foot turned in towards the ground. Then we go into the clamp, and then the leg lift. Okay, so not many more exercises to go. So I hope you're feeling good and that you feel this is working for you. Oh yes, rest it there. Just have a little rest, and then we're going to flex that foot. Are we ready? Take a breath. Okay, so we lift and we point it down, up and down. So you're really going to feel that in your inner thighs. Remember to hold it at the top and lower. We're going to hold and lower. If you hold it, you can feel it shaking a little bit, but that's just our muscles working. There we go, getting used to this move. Probably using muscles that we've not used for a while. At least I haven't used for a while. There we go. Tummy in, fingertips light on the ground. There we go. Up and down. So last little bit on our inner thighs before we go into working our outer thighs. Oh yes, oh, this feels so good. I need to do this one more. Oh, 16 seconds left on the clock. Oh, I'm shuddering now, there we go. Only a few more to go, guys. And let's go, 2 more. And last one, down, yes. Okay, knees coming together, feet in line with your bottom. Making sure tummy's tucked in and there's a little gap here, so you're lifting your waist off the ground. Okay, so clamp, so we're just opening, closing your thighs there, get a bit of hip mobility, and then we're going to extend it. So we're going to open and point. Heels together, knees together. There we go. Up try not to rock your hips back, keeping them nice and stacked, so that you protect that lower spine. Woo! There we go. And down. Oh, this is a good one. I can feel this working in my glutes, outer thigh area. Oh, look amazing. Keep this up. There we go. Feel it as you open up and stretch, pointing those toes. There we go. Not many more to go. And then we're on to our last exercise. Oh, saved by the bell, hey. Okay, really lengthen your body now so you're nice and long. Stabilize yourself. Flex those feet. Okay, so we're going to lift and then we're going to dip that toe in. In Pilates, we tend to keep our leg at hip height in this exercise. Pilates exercise kind of here, isn't it? I'm just going to extend it a little bit more. Okay, so a little bit more range of movement there. If that doesn't feel good for you, you can take it back down. So you can do a less of a range of motion. Okay, flexing and straightening. Flex. Really working your glutes, that area, here. This is good. Giving ourselves a peachy bottom. Not long to go, guys. Keep it up. Keep breathing. Believe you can do it. And we're almost there. There we go. Let's see if we can lift that leg a bit higher this time. Yes. Last one. Oh, stretch it out. Give yourselves a little pat there. We're at the end of the video, everyone. Well done for keeping up and making it right to the end. Today you've really worked hard on your inner and your outer thighs, so well done to you. Now, if you enjoyed the video, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell, which will notify you when my next videos are out. For now, I'll say goodbye, but I'll see you next time. Bye!